Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. Like many people, I love steak and I love sandwiches. Decided to do this up. It's a steak sandwich made with red bell peppers, onions, garlic, mayo, Dijon mustard. You're gonna love this, so let me walk you through it. So what I've got here is a round marinating steak, and to kick things off, I'm going to season this up, of course with some salt, pepper, one of my all-time favorite spices, so I'm going to use quite a bit of this, some garlic powder, and of course you can do this on both sides. Okay, so what I'm going to do is add a knob of butter to a preheated pan and let this melt down, followed by some oil, and this is going to keep the butter from burning. Next up, we're going to place the steak in and give it a good sear. What we're aiming for is a medium rare. Smells good. So once we got a nice sear going on here, doesn't this look incredible? I'm just going to set this aside. Alright, in the same pan, I'm going to add a bit more oil, and you want all that delicious flavor happening there. Add in a small chopped onion, followed by 3 cloves of chopped garlic. You know, this will keep the vampires out. And half a small red bell pepper. And saute this until they're fragrant and tender crisp. After a couple of minutes, they're tender crisp and they smell absolutely delicious. I'm going to kill the heat. Alright, now it's time to slice up our steak. And you want this in fairly fine slices across the grain, something like this, and that's a good medium rare. Let's build our sandwich now with a bun and a layer of mayo, and you can use a mayo of your choice, of course. At this point in time, due to what's going on, doing this is much better than going to a takeout, so just make your own sandwich. Followed by some Dijon mustard. And you can use yellow mustard, but I like Dijon. Our incredibly delicious steak. Yum. Our veggies. Oh, this is going to be so good, guys. Like, you could even add some mushrooms too. Some of that ooey gooey incredible mozzarella. Now I'm going to go ahead and close it up and then grill this up, and you can bake it or toast it, whatever you like. And there you have it, guys, our steak sandwich with onions, bell peppers, garlic, and the rest of it. You're going to love this. So let's go ahead and give this a taste test. This is so good, guys. The steak is so tender. The veggies, the Dijon mustard, the mayo, absolutely delicious. You got to make this. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.